Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. As usual, we'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your career situation and your love energy, guys. So this is for your daily energy, Sagittarius, and this is for your career situation, and this is for your love energy, and one card from the Rumi Oracle Guidance deck. So this is a general guidance card, guys. So we will open the cards now for your daily energy first, Sagittarius. It is the Chariot. Sagittarius, with this card, the energy in your situation today, guys, you have to have that emotional control, guys, in your situation. Maybe circumstances are not going according to your expectation. There may be situations where you may feel manipulated, and you may feel that people are stressing you in your situation, so you may feel emotional, you may have anger towards them, or you may want to show your emotional side. Maybe you want to scream at them, but all that you have to keep it under control, Sagittarius. So when you do that, you will be able to reach harmony and success in your life, guys. You are in a phase in life where all your troubles are coming to an end, so you are seeing success within reach. Things are going as it should, and you are seeing success within reach. So you need to go for this emotional control today, guys, for that happiness and harmony in your life today. And maybe for some of you, you are taking up some important journey. So it may be emotional journey, guys. It may not be a physical journey, something emotional. You are harnessing your dreams and your will, whatever you have, and your emotions to go in that positive progress in life, guys. That is what I see with this card, Sagittarius. So for your career situation, guys, the Empress. So with this card, guys, in your situation today, you may feel you are moving towards positive potential in life, guys, and you are able to create your own success. Maybe in your career, the choices you make or the decisions you take, it is taking you progressing towards success, and you have that patience in your work situation, and you are a very creative person, guys. You may be involved in some kind of a creative job. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you are successfully starting something new in your career, guys, some new beginning. That is also what I see. So what is the card for your relationship, guys? Temperance. So this may be what your person feels about you, or what you may feel about them. So in this connection, you have that you are both working towards greater harmony and balance. You would have gone through lots of stressful situations in life, but you are trying to get that understanding with each other, have that healing. You are healing from your past situation, and working towards a better understanding today, and moving forward with this connection, guys. That is what I see with this card. And you love each other's company. Maybe for some of you, this may be a destined connection, guys, karmic connection. That is also the energy here. Let us see what is your Rumi Oracle Guidance card. Passion of the Wild Red Mother. This oracle card comes with a special guidance, guys. So whatever you feel in your heart of hearts is right. Maybe in your career situation, some choices or in your personal life, some choices, whatever you feel is right, you need to go for it. You need not have the fear, or you should not have the restriction to follow that. So that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for you all, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.